Hi, I'm not Penguin, but I'm trying to become the nihilist penguin. So let's start it. Hi, I'm starting completely new today. No technical background, no prior experience, and I am learning from absolute zero of GRC. If you are confused about your career or restarting your life, then this video is for you. I'm not here to impress anyone, I'm here to grow. My name is Siddharth, and I'm working on self improvement and documenting my journey in a real world scale. So, let's start it. What is GRC? GRC is governance, risk, and compliance. In a simple term, GRC about helping companies following the rules and regulations, identify and manage risk, and also protect their reputation and money. So, why I choose GRC? I choose GRC for three main reasons. First, it does not require heavy coding, and second is it's provide value thinking and communication and also responsibility, and third is more effective this because this provide more long term career growth and stability. That's why I choose GRC. I'm not more professional about this area. I'm beginner and I'm trying to learn slowly, and I explain here more simple words like policies, risk assessment, and also standards ISO 27001. Some days for me confusing, some days take a time, but I'm not here to quit. And also I'm here, I will share more interesting content, simple career preparation, explanations, and self improvement. And also I try to explain here my personal finance and where should I invest. So more thing I will share here. And if you are confusing your in a life and a career, then follow me and subscribe me and comment it in my comment box from a zero to start. So this video is help for you. If you something little bit, if you provide value, then comment it.